Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present science project uh, today. And this my name is My name is Muhammad Fikri and my team Rian Ibrahim Pertama. Okay. And I want to give a presentation about food culture program unit testing. Okay. System analysis. System analysis. Here we have create a program that is asked from Procassia that can make it easier to work to menu selection system and pay for them for the food and drink that has been provided. And for reliability, Java the application system needs to be fully checked end to end before and serving end to end user. The test method as our white box and black box testing. Black box testing is a software testing the method in which internal structure, design, interpretation, or uh, or of the item being tested is now known from examiner. Type of testing tool. One, unit. Unit is a task testing framework from Java as the waiting by development for testing specific area of function of the code to be tested. Two, Gcode. Gcode. Gcode is a free code, a cover library for Java, which has been created by LTMMI team-based of the Linux from Async Integration, citing library for media.
Okay. The next is I will explain about testing implementation JUnit. Um, okay. Here I will explain the source code of the Casir program test. At the very top, we can see what imports are needed to run this test. Then here I write the class, then call its method to get the data from the program. The first, I did a test on the login. We expect the email is admin@gmail.com and the password is admin. In the second test, test whether the email contain gmail.com, and then in the third test whether the email ends with .com, and fourth, determine the password is not null. In this test we use assert that the example email, assert that email is it's the value, and then the end which is the expect what we want. Okay, and the next is test, and the last test is total price calculation. It's accordance with the expectation. Example is tes hitung harga nasi goreng. In here the variable is in num is 1, jumlah 1, and the value harga is 10,000, and what we expect is 10,000, and the result is total number jumlah harga. Assert equals expect and result. In the expect is 10,000 and the result is 10,000. Then the tes hitung harga ayam goreng it's same with tes hitung harga nasi goreng. Okay, this is the output test, and here is output test of the test program that was created earlier. And and this is the output. Okay. Here we can see if the result of the tests that have been run from all 6 test cases were successful and nothing failed. From tes hitung harga ayam goreng, tes email Nwit, tes login, tes konten email, tes hitung harga nasi goreng, and tes password not null. Okay. This is Jacoco, and this is Jacoco from the test result. Here we can find out which methods are executed and which methods are not executed in our program. In the program, we can see if 65% of the code of the method was executed successfully. Okay. I will run the program. This is program test. We run. In here we can see the output test program, and this is a result program. Okay. The six test case is successful run, and then we run Jacoco. Okay. Okay, we can see in here program cashier. In the method main, we can see first this is method from program cashier, and then the first is method for email. So we write if email equals admin@gmail.com, and then the password. And okay, in here in the main, we can see the all code is green. So in this code is successful to execute it like that. Example, if when we run we choose number 1, so in the number 2 and 3, 4, 5 it's not execute. Okay.
Thank you for my project. Thank you for watching to my project and my team. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi